thanks for coming to check out our seed starting setup. This is what we use every year to start our seedlings for our flowers, vegetables, whatever we have going outside that we need to get a head start on. It's very simple. First, we didn't have the shelves here, so we had to actually create the shelves. And we actually applied some water protectant for the wood, knowing that we're going to have water splashing around. So once we got this all built and set up, we installed the lights. These lights, this setup here just came from a local hardware store. So each one of these lights, this might be bright. Yeah. So there's 6 lights in here, and each one of these lights is 3,000 lumens. So we've got 18,000 lumens in here, and each bulb is in that 6,500 Kelvin range. So providing the seedlings the light that they need to get started. This setup here is adjustable. So as we start our seeds, we'll put the dirt in, put the seeds in, water, get that set up. And what we found useful too is a heat mat. So we'll get everything set up, get the heat mat set up, plant seeds, and then we'll drop the light. I've got this set up just on a chain to where I can adjust it. Once the seeds start growing, we'll raise it as required, making sure that those seedlings do not touch those bulbs. So one more really nice to haves with a setup like this is a timer. We just have a mechanical timer that we currently have set for 14 hours. We're able to adjust that just by using these little pegs to they turn on at this time and turn off at this time, and that's really helped. So you don't leave the lights on all night or forget to turn them on for a day or two. In my opinion, that's kind of a must. Make sure you've got that cycle of light. So we've used a setup like this for the last 4 years now. It's worked out well every year. Thanks for checking it out. Hopefully it helps you with some ideas to start your own.